When I was younger, I was envious of dancers. I deeply wanted to be able to share in that kind of intimacy and playfulness and intensity. Yet I avoided it for decades. I was afraid, but I expressed that as a lack of interest. I think the fear came from unfelt grief at my aloneness and lack of connection. And even now, before I begin dancing, I can feel disconnected and a bit afraid. Yet once I begin, the animal joy of connecting to other bodies and to nature transforms the separation into feeling. I allow myself to accept the inevitable grief of living. I can feel it because I'm being strengthened by the joy of connection. To be held and to hold. To receive and to nurture. To be subject to forces and to be a force. And to flow between states seamlessly. This has become a practice of non-attachment. Not attached to the idea of being human. Instead, to feel myself simultaneously human and animal and earth. Recognizing the gestures of nature as communications, the dance assists the shift into this awareness. To open to nature and to feel nature open towards me, that was the end of alienation. It's a healing journey back into relationship with the whole.